Definitely remember to take the plastic bag out when you're trying to do a cool pour. Get this all mixed up real nice, get it nice and combined. Brownie batter is done. Looking great. Let's start building these brookies. Get your tube of Nestle Toll House cookie dough. Get your really ridiculously big knife for no reason. And then we're just gonna cut 6 rounds. Make sure you take that plastic off the cookie rounds and put one in each of these. We're gonna take the time and press these cookies down at the bottom. Make sure it fills out the entire cupcake paper. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you want to get it as flattened as you can. Oh, you thought we were just doing cookies and brownies? No. We're adding a little something special to them. We're gonna place an Oreo cookie in each cupcake thing. Press it down a little bit. Oh, we'll break it maybe. Don't press it down so hard. Now we got our brownie mix here. We're just gonna spoon over brownie mix on each of the cookies. And if these make a mess, don't worry. You want enough in there that it fills the top completely. So we may have to add a little extra to it. These brownies that we made are like the double chocolate brownies. So there's little chocolate chips in them too. So got chocolate chips on the cookies, got the Oreos in between, guys. And then wait till the end because we're gonna add even more chocolatey goodness to these. These are gonna be flavor bombs. Woo. Don't tell your doctor. Time to get these in the oven, these stuffed brookies. So it's a brownie and a cookie. Guys, tell me what you think down below. These are gonna be amazing. Let's go get it in the oven. Let's go. All right, so we're baking 40 minutes, 325. Hit start, let it warm up. We got our brookies in. We'll see you in 40 minutes. All right, our brookies are done. Looking good. You know that muffin top right there? That's my favorite part. Just throwing it out there. All right, let's get these out, cooled off. You take a look at that and think we're done right now, but we're not. Let's take the paper off of these bad boys. So these aren't the best papers around. So you may have to rip and tear a little bit, but that's okay. That's okay. All right, there's our Brookie. All right, I'm gonna bust this one open so you can see the inside before we finish up. There you go, little Oreo center. Guys, you know that is money. All right, let's finish these up. One last step, we got some Hershey's frosting that we microwaved. Got it nice and melty. Let's just go over the top with it, baby. Oh yeah. Tell me that don't look good. All right, so here's the deal. I was gonna try to pick one of these up and shove it in my face and, you know, make a huge mess. I don't wanna do that. I'm cooking, get messy all day. I don't need to get messy on one of these bad boys. So we're just gonna take a big old honking bite. Oh yeah. We have every flavor possible in here. Chocolate chip cookies, chocolate chip brownies, Oreo, frosting. What more do you want, people? You know what I want? I want some ice cream. A little vanilla ice cream would go great with this. All right, enough of me talking. Cheers, y'all. Rich, luscious, decadent. And you know it's good, baby.